Thank you for purchasing a Core Innovations full motion TV wall mount. This video will show you how to assemble and install your TV wall mount. Before beginning assembly and installation, please ensure that your TV and your wall meet the requirements detailed in the instruction manual. If you do not feel comfortable installing the mount, contact a certified technician to assist. Prior to installation, please ensure that you have received all the necessary parts and hardware. If any parts are missing or damaged, contact customer service for replacement. Please note that not all of the included hardware will be used. Before beginning, make sure you have all the necessary tools: pencil or marker, screwdriver, a 1/2-inch socket wrench, power drill, tape measure, stud finder, and a wood or concrete drill bit. Concrete wall mounting. Follow these steps to install your TV wall mount on a concrete wall. Start by positioning the included drilling template at the desired mount height and mark the hole locations. Then, using a concrete drill bit, drill the holes to at least 2.4 inches in depth. Do not drill into mortar joints. Secure your mount plate to the wall using the concrete anchor, washer, and screw combination. Use a socket wrench to tighten the M8 screws. Wood stud mounting. Follow these steps to install your TV wall mount on drywall with wood studs. Start by using a stud finder to locate the edges of the studs. Then, mark the center of each stud by drawing a vertical line with a pencil. Place the included drilling template at the desired mount height and mark the hole locations. Using a wood drill bit, drill the holes to at least 2.4 inches in depth. Secure your mount plate to the wall using the washer and screw combination. Now follow these steps to attach the mount plate to your TV. Start by determining your TV's VESA pattern. Measure the distance between the holes on your TV in millimeters to determine your pattern. This mount is compatible with VESA patterns up to 800 by 400 millimeters. Before attaching the mount plate to your TV, you'll need to determine which screw diameter to use by hand threading the screws into the proper inserts on the back of your TV. Verify the screw is a good fit, neither too long nor too short. Mounting the brackets to your TV. You may wish to adjust the tilt angle of your TV. To do so, loosen the bolt on the TV brackets. And once the desired angle is achieved, refasten the bolt tightly. For TVs with a flat or curved back, you'll need the included B2 spacers and B3 square washers. Then, pick the best screw fit for your TV. After determining the best screw fit for your TV, and once the desired tilt angle is achieved, place the TV brackets over your TV's hole pattern and attach them using the appropriate screw and square washer combination. Make sure to check the instruction manual for the correct part combinations for your TV. If your TV has a flat back and you want your TV closer to the wall, use shorter screws. Spacers and longer screws are supplied to accommodate curved or irregular back TVs and extra space needed for cables. Lock your TV into place by attaching the TV bracket to the wall mount. Connect any necessary cables to your TV and readjust your TV mount as desired. Finally, use the included Allen wrench to lock the position of your mount. And there you have it. You have successfully assembled and installed your Core Innovations TV wall mount. Need help? Please submit a request by emailing support@dpaudiovideo.zendesk.com or give us a call at 1-833-909-CORE. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.